day and welcome to Mathematics Grade 2. Today we're going to take a look at the work for week 8, day 4, which is time. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact me via email at teachingarisha@gmail.com. For the counting activity, please make use of the following prompts on screen, then pause this page as the children do their counting activity. For mental maths, only allocate 1 minute per section for the comparing of numbers and then to order the numbers. The goal and aim for today's lesson is to tell time, know the days of the week, know months of the year, place birthdays, religious festivals, public holidays, historical events, school events on a calendar. Then to tell time in 12 hours on an analog clock, and we're going to be looking at hours and half an hours. And then we're going to calculate the length of time and passing of time using clocks to calculate the length of time in hours or half an hours. So today we're only going to do a recap of most of it that has been mentioned. So it's important to know 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 hour is 60 minutes long, and 1 day is 24 hours long. So when we look at a clock, our minutes are represented by the long arm. The long arm will be red in this video, and then our hours will be represented by the short arm, which will be green in this video. So if the long arm is on 12, we will always say o'clock. If the long arm is on the 6, we will always say half past. So now we're going to look at the different variations of time in hours. So we can have 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. It's important to showcase that the short arm always points directly to the number. It's always on the number 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and 11 o'clock. Then we can look at half past. Now take note when we look at half past. The long arm is on the 6, and then when we put in the time, it will always be half past a number. So this is half past 12. Look, the short arm, the green arm, is halfway past 12 and it's almost at 1, so it's half past 12. Half past 1, half past 2, half past 3, half past 4, half past 5, half past 6, half past 7, half past 8, half past 9, half past 10, as you can see again, it's halfway past 10. It's on its way to 11, but it's halfway past 10. Half past 11. Finally, we're going to take a quick look at a calendar and how to read one. So at the top, we will always find the month and the year. And then just below the month and the year, we will see the days of the week. Remember, the days of the week always starts on Sundays and goes through to a Saturday. So the months of the year we know is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then we have the days of our week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. On the left hand side we can see that the blocks are always numbered. So this tells us the numbers of the day of the month. So this month starts on the 1st. All months start on the 1st, and the day of the 1st is a Sunday. If I had to ask what is the 4th day of the month, what is the name, it would be Wednesday, because the 4th day of the month is Wednesday. Months have 28 days to 31 days. 28 days is February, and on a leap year it has 29 days, and then the rest of the months shuffle between 30 and 31 days. Then we can see here each row of blocks represent a week. Sometimes we'll have a full week, sometimes we'll only have half a week. For instance, if this month had to start on a Wednesday, so the one would be here, then it would be half a week. You can also see usually the months have between 4 and 5 weeks in them. Now we can see Sally's birthday is written on the 4th of this month. So if we have to answer the question, when is Sally's birthday, we will say Sally's birthday is on Wednesday, the 4th of this month. So we will be looking at time again in class. I hope you guys enjoy this short lesson. That's just a recap. I can't wait to see all of you back at school.